So I'm going to take you through our bare mice pellet machine production line. This is our large comprehensive crusher, mainly breaking some large wooden blocks. Wood architectural some centuries over 20 cm. By crushing, we will arrive 5-pounder stage of high-efficiency sawdust crusher. Then through 5-pounder decretops discharge to our selective salons. Then until the most important stage of making pellet process, so that the material is the process of exterior smoother, guaranteed pellet shape and finished. After completing this process through making pellet to our cooler, by transporting conveyor, finally arrive at our finished product warehouse. And finally, we have a selective selection. This section of our packing scope, such a whole pellet production line is completed.